This is the mask that we are going to paint. What's written there? Take care of your health. Yeah, we must take care of our health ourselves. So you see the mask is made up of, I think the material is polystyrene, and we are going to make the animation on that side, and you don't want to damage the other side. For not letting that happen, we are gonna use a cardboard. We'll cut and place it in the exact position as shown in the video to prevent the spillage on the other side. So we are done with that part, and now we'll go for painting the mask. For painting the mask, I'm gonna use acrylic colors. I'll start with this color, crimson red. This is not working. You can see the material is absorbing all the color, and we can barely see the vibrancy of the color in the mask. The color is looking very dull, and I'm not sure whether it's gonna work or not. You see how all the color is been absorbed by the mask, but no worry, we'll give it a try, and we'll be looking for a few layers of painting. And now we are gonna start the second layer of painting with the same color. So guys, now our second layer has been dried, and I'm happy with the color. So if you are not happy, you can go for another layer of red color. And after that, I'm starting to outline. For doing the outline, white color is being used. We are about to finish now, and this is how it looks once it's finished. So we remove the cardboard now, and the mask is ready to be worn.